So this right here is a router table, and it cost me basically nothing. No store-bought kit, no fancy plans, just scrap wood from my shed and a router I already own. Honestly, it turned out way better than I expected. This is actually the first woodworking tool I've ever made completely from scratch. Not bought, not modified, built. I already had a battery-powered router, and instead of spending a couple $100s on a router table, I wanted to see if I could make one with what I already had. This project is really for people who like trial and error, people who don't mind learning as they go and want to save money while still producing something useful. So if you're a homeowner, a DIYer, or someone who just like building stuff instead of buying it, this is for you. So this top that I'm using is 48 by 24. So I measured out 24 inches and I'm splitting it down the middle. The bottom that I'm using to hold the platform up is a sawhorse that I got from Menards for $20, and I'm using this as my legs to hold the top up for the router. So now I'm getting ready to make a straight line to the center so I know where to cut the hole for the router at. If you're like me and you like DIY projects, give this video a thumbs up. It helps push this video to reach more people like you. I'm using this Ryobi router that I had for quite some time now, and I'm going to be mounting this underneath. This plate from the router is going to help me make the perfect circle. I'm going to be mounting the router underneath the table, so I cut an opening for the bit and built the top sturdy enough to handle the real work. To make sure that my top is not going to be rocking or moving on me while in use, I'm cutting these blocks that's going to sit right in between the top that this sawhorse had. If you're new to this channel and you have not yet subscribed, consider becoming a subscriber so you don't miss any new DIY content. This is a trick someone showed me a while ago, that if you run your drill in reverse before screwing in, you reduce the chances of your wood splitting. The reason I chose to do it like this is because I still use the sawhorse from time to time, and I wanted to be able to interchange the sawhorse versus the router table. This piece of wood is going to be my guide, so I'm cutting it to size for the board, which is 24 inches, and then I'm going to mount it. So let's be honest, was everything perfect? No. Did I make adjustments as I went? Absolutely. But that's kind of the point. Figure it out as you go and making it work with what you have. Now this is the part that surprised me the most. It actually works really well. For something made entirely out of scrap, this thing feels solid. It's not a store-bought router table, but for what I need and what it costs, it's a win. This build kind of opened the door for me. I'm planning on making more projects around the house, tools, jigs, and random DIY builds, using what I already have. If you like budget build, learning through mistakes, and actually seeing real DIY instead of perfect shop setups, hit the subscribe button, drop a comment, and let me know what you build with scrap wood. And if you're thinking about making your own tools instead of buying them, trust me, just start. You might surprise yourself. Thank you for stopping in to watch this DIY router build. I'll see you in the next one.